I don't like the sound of my own voice. I don't like to hear myself talk much. I can't stand all the pauses. I hate the sound of my voice. I wish it was better. Maybe I just need to learn how to talk. I didn't talk much as a kid. I didn't know what to say.
San Francisco Airport in 3 minutes. 4-hour train for Millbrae in 8 minutes.
It always felt uncomfortable. I didn't know if anybody wanted to hear me talk. And I still don't. I don't think they do. I try and do better. I wish I had something to say. Something that was important. Something that mattered. Something that meant something to somebody. I wish I could matter. And I know I do. And I care about people a lot. I just wish I was somebody. You ever have that feeling? Everyone feels that. It's no big deal. It's just one of those moments right now.